Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 1. I can't believe it's here. I really can't. I can't believe it's December. This is ridiculous. I also haven't really vlogged in a hot minute just because I was like, I'm gonna be vlogging the entire month of December, so I'm gonna just like take a chill. I have a lot to do today. I just had to wash this hair. I slept in until 9:30. I slept for like 11 hours last night and I'm freaking out because I have so much to do today. I just have a lot to prep for Justin's birthday tomorrow. We're going to see his family tonight, so like I just have a lot to get done before 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna go to Target right now and we're gonna go get some things. Last night we filmed the boyfriend tag Q&A type situation. We made gingerbread houses, so if you guys haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. It was a lot of fun. It's for girls jumping into the dating world.
Don't date a guy.
Ew!
That ass, I don't know.
Justin! What was your first impression of each other?
Annoying.
Oh! So we're feeling a little bit...
She's blacked out.
I mean, I love you, Trader Joe's, but this shit is ass.
This shit is ass. What does
Yeah,
that
I'm
mean?
Shaq West and I'm really with the shit. I also made these cookies. Let me tell you guys, this might be the best recipe of cookies I have ever created in my life. They're peppermint mocha cookies. They're gluten-free, vegan, and refined sugar-free. They are so freaking good. The recipe is on my Instagram if you guys want to check that out. But we gotta go because I am on a very strict time limit, so let's do it. Hello, I'm back now. It is a few hours later. I got the stuff to make the cake. He's staying here tonight, so I'm gonna make him like a nice little breakfast in bed too. Normally I would make everything from scratch, but he doesn't really like cake, so I'm making a like triple layer brownie chocolate chip funfetti like stack cake. It's gonna look really cool. So that's what we got going on over here, but we have to leave in like an hour and a half, so I don't really have time to do any of this now. So I'm gonna try and like wrap his gifts. I got like some stuff to wrap, so I'm gonna try and get that done before we have to leave. Good morning, guys. It is now Wednesday. I am on the treadmill. I wanted to get some cardio in before tonight. Obviously there's no one here, so I'm not wearing a mask, but I'm watching The Bachelorette from last night. We just didn't end up vlogging just because like wasn't the time and the place. I feel like, I don't know, whatever. I still have to bake his cake, so I'm gonna go do that, but we opened presents before I came down here, and I'm gonna go get him breakfast and surprise him with that too. It's already 10:30, so I have a lot to do today. Hello, it is many hours later now. I just finished the cake. It came out like, okay. I messed up on the icing and I had to restart, so it doesn't look too great, but the effort was there. We have the layer of brownie, cookie, and cake. I have some alcohol ready for tonight. I just made dinner reservations, so I'm gonna go over there now and I'll see you guys at dinner. Do you think we just go in the front?
Huh?
Do you think we just go through the front door?
Yeah, probably. She's in there, so.
We are here. Hello, sir.
Oh, hello. How are you?
How are you, Mr. Birthday Boy?
Oh, I'm great. Sorry, just replying to all the love I'm getting. It's just overwhelming.
You're so popular.
I can't even hold it all in.
A nice OVO shirt. Love
Thanks.
to see it.
December's very own DVO.
Wow, you're so funny. So we are at Osteria. We were really afraid that we were going to be cold, but like the
But
setup.
don't worry, they have the fans on full blast in the middle of December.
Well, they have to like make sure it's outside somewhere,
Right,
you know?
yeah, it's not outside. This
What'd
is
you get
a
to
very
drink?
inside place. Oh, I got the house Chardonnay.
Wow, just like your mom.
Sure.
I got tequila club and splash of grapefruit, as per usual. Oh, wait, we didn't even sip yet. We have to cheers.
I've sipped plenty, but sure, we'll cheers.
I have not. Cheers to 24, baby.
Let's do it. Kobe here, baby.
Oh, the lines are so, that's great. So, just went to pick up my camera and realized that there's lines on it, so
There's what?
I'm gonna have a mental breakdown.
There's what?
Right now. The
There's what?
first day of Vlogmas. And there's lines on my camera. I swear to God, if these lines are on. Anyway,
You'll be alright.
we got a tuna carpaccio. Don't really know what it is, but
Let's find that bitch.
yes, we are trying that bitch. We got our second courses. I got a gluten-free pasta.
I had to tell her how to pronounce her name of her pasta.
I know, my Italian family would be really disappointed.
Not quite Italian enough for
What'd you
me.
get? What?
Some dang. That's all you need to know. Some pasta with some cocoa. Let's see how it goes.
I hope there's no lines on the screen when I'm filming this, or I might cry when I'm editing it. All right, we just got our third course. I got chicken. What'd you get?
I got some fucking steak, bitch.
Oh my God, your mom's gonna watch this and be so disappointed in your language.
Sorry, Mom, you've heard me say those words before.
I could cry. Tears of joy right now. Happy Vlogmas day 3. Is today 3rd? Yes, it's little baby's birthday. I just turned on my camera and the lines are not there anymore. There was like lines all over the screen that looked like the camera was broken. I was just like praying all morning. I was like, oh, I swear to God, if there's fucking lines on this camera when I pick it up, I'm gonna cry. Like, I was like, this literally is my luck. Like, this would happen to me on the 3rd day of Vlogmas, or 2nd, it was the 2nd. So, it is a little bit later now. I am so happy to be home on my couch just editing. I'm trying to get this gingerbread house video up for you guys before it gets like crazy late, but it's about 2:30 now. I had a really nice workout this morning. I overslept till like 10 o'clock. I freaked out because I had so much to do today. It's just like a busy work day, pretty boring, honestly. I had a nice workout. Got myself some Wawa. If you guys don't have Wawa, first of all, I feel bad for you. If you do, you need to try their holiday blend. It is my favorite coffee. Holiday blend, blueberry, and then their pumpkin spice. Like, so freaking good. So I'm just drinking this. I'm catching up on all of my Vlogmas uploads. I have like so many in my watch later playlist. I watch everyone's. I also have to catch up on the Real Housewives of Salt Lake. I have so many podcast episodes to listen to. I'm trying to listen and watch all of these things today. I am so happy to be home because like the last week was just so freaking crazy. Since last Wednesday, it's just been craziness in my life. We were in New Jersey with Justin's family for the holidays. We spent a few days there. Then we had like a day of golfing. Then it was his birthday. I had so much to like prep for and all of that. And then yesterday was his birthday. His friends came over after we had dinner last night and we all just kind of like chilled, whatever. And I'm just like happy to like be in my house. It was just a crazy week. And I was like, this is such a bad time to start Vlogmas off of because I haven't had a second like right now to sit down and be like, hi, welcome to Vlogmas. If you're new here, subscribe. I really have nothing else to show you guys today. Vlogmas this year, I mean, not that I've ever done it before, but it's just gonna be a weird year, you know? There's really nothing to do necessarily, but I think we are going to try and do all of the things that you actually can do. There's some really cool things in Philly that we're definitely gonna go check out. So I'm excited for all of that. I'm also gonna show you guys this vegan, well, it's dairy-free, chicken Caesar salad recipe that I've been obsessed with lately. So we're gonna make that for dinner. I will see you guys in a few hours. It is 4:30. This one just calls me and he says, you wanna go on vacation? So now we're going on vacation on Monday and it's Thursday. We're very excited.
Yes, we are.
Where are we going? We're going to South Carolina and I can't believe this is happening.
Let's go.
So we actually just changed our mind as soon as we filmed that clip and we're going to Tampa instead. So we want the warm weather and it's not gonna be warm in Myrtle Beach. Wait, I'm so excited. I can't believe we're doing this. Justin's taking me on vacation. Yo.
Wait, it's not even that. It's $69 for...
That place is nice. Wow. We have to vlog the whole time because it's Vlogmas. We could stay at the La Quinta, just like the best.
A city view king room.
Yeah, but you want to stay in the city or the beach?
A private balcony.
Ooh. I just had to mute myself because we are on FaceTime with Justin's family, but I realized I didn't show you guys how I made the salad and I'm making it right now. I have some chicken cooking. I use coconut aminos, chili lime seasoning, and garlic infused olive oil. And I have some kale with some fat-free feta and some cucumbers and some vegan Parmesan. And then my newest fave, the vegan Caesar dressing from Trader Joe's. It's so freaking good, you guys. You need to try it. All right, have we clicked book trip yet?
All right, let's look at everything. Our itinerary.
All right, here is the finished product. This is so good. I'm gonna eat this and we're going to continue booking our trip and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, it is much later. It is 10 o'clock. I finally just uploaded the gingerbread house Q&A video. I don't know how it took me this freaking long to do, but Justin and I have just kind of been like planning and booking things. We booked like a couple tea times to go golfing. We had to get like a rental car. We are so freaking excited. This place is so nice. I'm so happy that it's happening during Vlogmas too. I am watching some more Vlogmases right now and I would love to tuck into bed early because it's just been an exhausting week and now I have a bunch of shit to get done before going on vacation again. Oh my goodness. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 4. I'm looking very crazy right now. I just did a phenomenal workout. I was just watching some Vlogmases and I did 2 Whitney Simmons workouts. Sorry, my nails are disgusting. I did this one, this full body hit, and then I did this one. It's like a dumbbell full body too. And I did this one, and then I did this one, and I repeated them both 3 times. It's really hard. I worked up quite the sweat, burned a good amount of calories, and I was in the midst of making another scramble. Why is there so much liquid? What the fuck? It's 11 o'clock. I've been editing all morning, so I'm about to eat this, get in a shower, and I have to go run a few errands to start packing. If you guys are new to my channel and you have no idea what this recipe is, it's basically on all platforms, YouTube, TikTok. I believe it's on Instagram too. It's so freaking good. I like to add some fat-free feta cheese to mine just because I love feta. Why not make it fat-free? And some ketchup. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are like anti-ketchup, but this one is a little bit better for you on the sodium and sugar side. It's the small things, you know? I'm gonna go eat this and relax for a little. I will see you guys when I don't look like this. Hello, it has been quite a while since I talked to you guys last. It's about 3:30 now. I am trying to get to the post office before they close. I'm somewhere in suburbia, Pennsylvania. I would really like to go to a TJ Maxx because the ones in the city are trash. I just need to pick up a bunch of little things. I've basically just been working all day and running around like a psychopath. I am so stressed out. I have so much work to do before this trip, and I'm sorry if this vlog is somewhat boring. I promise you guys next week will be a lot better. So I had to take Justin to his doctor appointment today. So yes, like I said, been a crazy day. I'm probably gonna be out till like 6-ish. I'm gonna go home, grab my laptop, head over to Justin. That's a little update on today. Sorry, it's not too exciting. I literally just have so much shit to get done for this spontaneous trip we decided to take. It's a gloomy, cold, and rainy day. It's not very fun out here. That's all that's going on. I'm gonna go see if I can find like a golf polo or skirt, and if I get anything, I'll show you guys. Is this gonna work? I don't think it is. I'm back home. I ended up going to Kohl's because my mom was like, hey, if you need anything, I have a bunch of Kohl's cash. So I was like, all right, word. I needed socks really bad, so I got some socks. I also got a visor because a bitch needed a visor, you know? And then I just got 2, why is this not focusing? I got 2 minis. I got like a hairspray mini and a dry shampoo mini. Lastly, I literally got like all of this stuff for free too, which is why I got it. I saw this in Nike like 3 months ago and I stopped myself from buying it, and I just got it for free. I'm so fucking excited. It's this crew neck, but it's like definitely an athletic wear like material, and it just says Nike down the sides. This is like so me, and it's just so cozy. It's literally like a fleece inside. I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna wear this on the airplane. This is like a good, I feel like, layer to have. So that's what I got. I have a meeting with my friend now, and then I'm gonna eat dinner and then head over to Justin. It is 5 o'clock. That's it. Not too much going on, but we have a whole night of editing in front of us. In this room, it's honestly trash. Would you like to say hello now that you're a YouTube star?
What up?
Well, we got so much great feedback on the vid. What do you have to say? You have fans now.
I'm not really surprised. My personality usually shines bright, so.
Such an ass.
Yeah.
So, Justin's playing his video game on your new Xbox 5.
Yep. The Xbox 5.
I'm editing this current vlog so that we can get this thing up before our vacay. And, that's what's going on for tonight. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm mentally preparing myself for our golf that we're going to be doing in person by playing it in a video game.
Wow.
So, I will be mentally strong that day. I'll be there.
You got 4.
I don't see you doing this every day, so.
Yeah, I know. I have a life. I'm not unemployed.
Are you getting paid to do this all day?
Yeah, ha ha. This lighting is god awful. So, it is Saturday. I have been rushing around like a maniac all day. Once again, I just came home to make some lunch because I'm starving. And I ended up throwing some stuff on Poshmark, and a bunch of you guys bought it right away. I ran over to Staples. I had an amazing workout this morning. It was so good. I worked out in Justin's gym, and I have to meet my friend because I'm lending her one of my ring lights tonight because she needs it for a shoot she's doing today. So I started a packing list. Tomorrow night we're staying at Justin's parents' house, and then they're gonna drive us to the airport in the morning. So I got my zucchini oats. That's what's going on. I am quite literally freaking the fuck out. I ordered a bunch of things on Amazon the other night, and they were like next day delivery. So then they say they're gonna get here today. So I'm like, okay, great. Then they said they are delivered. 2 separate packages. There's like 3 things in one and like 2 in the other. And they say that they're delivered. Nowhere to be found in my building, anywhere. I'm like, what the fuck do I do? So I call Amazon and they're like, oh, sorry, sometimes like delivery drivers will mark them as delivered if they're not. And I'm like, what the? How does that make any sense whatsoever? And then they said, oh, worst case scenario, we'll get them to you Monday. I said, I need them today. So I literally can't start packing until I have this stuff. It's 5 o'clock now. I'm trying to get this vlog up and edited and uploaded. I really need to start packing, but I can't. I'm very frustrated. So I just had a mental breakdown because Amazon lost not 1, but 2 of my packages. I've tried to begin the packing process, but I kind of forgot that I broke the wheel on this one. I bought 2 of these suitcases when I was supposed to go to LA. I bought like the medium cal pack and the large. I know I need to bring the large because I overpacked like a fucking psychopath on every trip I go on. Like, that's truly just not gonna be enough for me. I just know that I'm gonna have to pack it in here, and I think I'm just gonna have to deal with the broken wheel. I was carrying dumbbells in when I was moving in, and like it legitimately like smushed. I also did my nails and my toes. Anyway, I don't know, guys. I'm fucking in a bad mood. I am almost done editing this vlog, so I just wanted to import this clip and end off the first week of Vlogmas. I figured I'm just gonna upload these every Sunday. You guys will obviously see the whole trip. I might even just make the vlog an entire week vlog, so we'll see. I don't really know how I'm going to do that yet. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow.